Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Techavro. So today I'm here to show you how you can use GarageBand on iPhone. So for that, go to App Store and download it. On the search bar, type GarageBand, and I already downloaded it, so you have to download it from your App Store. So I'm going to open it just. From here you can create your own music, so open it. It's going to allow continue. Okay, so allow. From here you have keyboard, drum, piano, so you just have to make your own music. So GarageBand is all about making your own music, own song. So yeah, you have so many options here. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.